Hey guys, so today we're gonna be installing a wild boar relocate bumper on the 2008 Can-Am Renegade 800. I thought I'd post up a little tutorial. You're gonna wanna remove the skid plate, and that's just a 13mm bolt over there. And these have these big Allen bolts right there. That was a T40 Allen, and then a 16mm or 17mm socket on top. Catch you guys when I get the skid plate removed. So I got the skid plate unbolted, and we're gonna drop it real quick. And that's my skid plate. So we're gonna set that right there, and then catch you on the next clip. I gotta figure out what to remove. Alright, there we are. So I got the winch off. Thought I'd carry you guys along as I just pick it up. But it's kind of heavy, so I'm gonna set you guys to the side. Alright. Alright, the winch is off. So now we're down to the frame and everything. So now I can start installing the new bumper. Alright, so I got the heat gun out and running, and I'm gonna heat this thing up. It's gonna take a few minutes just to heat it up. Catch you guys when it's heated up. Hey guys, so I got that line disconnected, just heated it up, messed around with it. I actually ended up grabbing my tool here, just going on there and twisting it a little bit. It came right off. And as you can see, leaking, everything's disconnected. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me on connecting the top one. See you in that clip. So I got the radiator line disconnected, and now we're gonna undo the bolts back there to get it you're out. Catching that. So I got the radiator out. It's 3 hoses and then the 2 wires. And I'm gonna get the wild boar rad relocate installed. And oops. Oh, that wasn't good. I'll show you guys how to put the radiator on the rad relocate. See you in there. Okay, you have to extend the fan wires to the fan. So all I did is wild boar gave me a connector to go to the pieces of the fan wires. Just connected that to the black wire, and then the black wire is just gonna go into the fan, and then the red wire was already long for me. Connected a new end, and then I'm gonna connect to the fan. See you guys in the next clip when I start getting the bumper installed. Hey guys, so I got the bumper installed with all the lines and everything. I ended up getting a like a 90 tube and just running that extender under there, and got these bolts on with a big extension on the Milwaukee, and the bumper looks pretty good. I had to top off the reservoir right under there, and then for filling the radiator fluid, I used a little fuel pump. I used a little fuel pump thing from the antifreeze. I used some engine ice. And yeah, and then I started it and took the cap off and watched for it to bubble. And basically that's, I think that means it's good. But other than that, it looks good. Remember to like and subscribe and comment below what you'd like to see next.